Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have a Nissan Sentra 2016 model. This car have a problem, AC not working, and that's why customer gave this car. That's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem and why this AC not working. Okay. So when I check with gas meter, I check everything is perfect, gas is perfect, and pressure sensor, wiring, voltage, everything is fine. But then I check this pressure sensor inside gone water, this is damaged. So that means that's why AC not working, pressure sensor. So I used one, and then I removed old one, then fix it new one, and then we will see AC working or not. I think it will perfect. So first I remove old AC pressure sensor. You can see here inside water, this is damaged. So I fix another one which I buy in used car. So I fix it this one and check. Now I fix it this pressure sensor, and then filling gas. You can see here AC is perfect now. Okay, thank you.